Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, it's student season and here's the truth. Students today are moving away from paper notebooks. They want something easier, something reusable and digital. That's where digital notebooks with clickable tabs come in. They are super convenient, they look amazing, and the best part is you can sell them online and make hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create your very own digital notebook in Canva with clickable tabs. By the end of this video, you not only have functional digital notebook, but also know how to sell it on platforms like Etsy, Stamp Store, or even your own shop. Let's get into it. We are going to create a new 8.5 by 11 inches document in Canva. First, set up your rulers and guides so your design stays consistent. My paper will end at 8 inches and the area beyond this will be for tabs. Now go to settings and click lock guides so they don't move while you design. Now go to elements and choose a rectangular shape. Resize it to fit right here. Now you can change the color to the one that you want. Once you are done, click right here to duplicate it. You can use Command D or Control D on Windows until you have 5 tabs. Now space them evenly and extend them so they cover the whole page edge. Now we are going to add a shadow element for dimension. Make sure to lower the transparency a little bit so it looks more realistic. Now we are going to add our numbers to the tabs right here from 1 to 5 and make sure that these numbers are in the middle of the tabs. Now press R on your keyboard to create a rectangle. Once you're done, extend it to fit the page and you can change the color as you want. This will be our notebook paper. So we are going to add a text box at the top. You can label it section 1. The font can be changed to any fonts that you want. Once you're done, just click change all so it updates throughout the whole design. Now press R again to create a rectangular shape. This is going to be right where the text is. Add lines for writing space. Make sure to adjust their thickness and duplicate them evenly. Now duplicate the page, rename it cover and design it however you want. I'm going to change this text to my notes. So for our cover, we are going to use Canva pictures. So go to elements and search for aesthetic pics or any picture of your liking and just resize it on your page. You are going to put it behind your text and your box right here. So it is going to look like something like this. To make it more realistic, let's reduce the transparency a little bit like so. To make it easier to edit this part right here, we need to group it. So what you are going to do is highlight all of them. Whilst you are clicking on them, make sure you are pressing on the shift button in order to be able to highlight all of them. Once you're done, you click on group so that way you can move them or resize them all at once. Now let's add a little depth to our borders right here. I want it to look more realistic. You can do that or you can leave it as it is. Now let's duplicate the section page and change the background to white. Make sure to delete everything on the page. We are going to put our lines right here. Now we are going to highlight these two lines and group them. Once you're done, send it all the way up and extend the lines. Make sure to adjust it the way that you want your notebook to look like. Now let's adjust the lines for spacing and make sure to use a softer gray for readability and duplicate them across the whole page. Highlight all the lines and change the color to gray. This looks more realistic when it comes to notebooks. Next thing we are going to do is to label our pages. So here will be our section 1 page. Once you're done labeling that, I want you to duplicate this section 4 more times because we want 5 pages. And make sure to change the section names, section 1, section 2, section 3, all the way to section 5. Great, now let's link our tabs. What we are going to do is click on the tab, the first tab right here, then click on the 3 dots, click link, then select section 1. So we are going to repeat this for tabs 2 to 5 for each one links to its section. So the first tab for section 1, second for section 2, all the way to section 5. The next thing we are going to do is delete all the tabs for the other pages. So once you're done deleting, what we are going to do is copy the first tabs on the first page where we linked all our pages. Then we are going to paste it on each page at exactly where the tabs are supposed to be. Once you paste them there, you are going to click on the 3 dots right here and send them back, just like so. Copy the full set of tabs and paste them onto each section page. Right click, send to back. Do this for all the other pages as well. Now open the grid view in Canva. Duplicate your note pages until you have about 10 per section. Next is to highlight all of them. Duplicate them, drag and arrange them so each section has its notes underneath. So section 1 will have 10 notes, section 2 will have 10 notes, all the way to section 5. Now that everything is done, we can download our notebook. So click on the share button, click on download, and make sure to always choose PDF standard. This will keep all your tabs clickable. Once you're done, open it in Adobe Acrobat, GoodNotes, or your favorite digital planning app to double check the links. And that's it. You've just created your own digital notebook with clickable tabs in Canva. Now here's where the money part comes in. Once your notebook is ready, you can upload it on Etsy, Seller, or Stan Store and use mockups to showcase it professionally. You can also promote it on Pinterest. Trust me, Pinterest is huge for digital products like this. And listen, if creating mockups feels like too much work, don't worry. I've already put together some Etsy mockups you can use to make your listings look professional in minutes. That way you don't have to stress about designing from scratch. Just plug in your notebook and you're ready to sell. And if creating this notebook is too much for you, I have the link in my description as well. This is just one way to start building a digital product business that brings in consistent sales. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because I'll be sharing even more tutorials on creating and selling digital products online.